Take the Pepsi Challenge.
I'm Jeff Carlson. We're WLIR-FM 92.7 in stereo, and now we go live to the stage of my father's place in the village of Old Roslyn.
Yeah, oh man, is it hot in here tonight or what? Come on! Thank you, Jeff. I'm Ray White from WLIR-FM, and we are live, very live tonight, down at my father's place. I'd like you to welcome back a band. They've been touring all around the country. They've been down in Texas. They flew back especially for you and everybody at home listening. So I want you to welcome Long Island's band, and I'll tell you, any band that does a song about tequila is all right in my book. Would you please welcome electro recording artist Riot! Sounds like we're plenty hot in here tonight. Woo! Yeah! Hello, everybody. First time in Long Island for us out here. Woo! It's good to be here. This is called Altar of the King. How you doing? All right.